Today we're going to go over a more advanced vinyl installation technique. A lot of the times, standard vinyls like the ones that we've shown in previous videos, you can install in one go. You don't need to do any cutting. It's nice and easy to install. But what if you have a curved surface and you want one decal on one area and another decal on another? Well, today we're going to show you just how to accomplish that. It's actually a lot easier than you think. So when we send out the vinyl, if you don't specify, we're going to send it to you in one piece so that, you know, we're expecting this is how you're going to install it on one flat surface. But if you change your mind or whatever and you want to install one part of it in one area and another part in another area, don't worry. All you need is a pair of scissors. Cut the vinyl into the two separate sections that you would like. I'm going to trim this one up to make it a little bit easier so that I know where our limits are. Sometimes it helps to get a really bright light behind the vinyl so that you make sure you're not cutting into the actual decal. You make sure you're only cutting the backing, the void area where there's no graphic. So what we've decided is that there's going to be a bunch of stick people right here, and then there's going to be this other one, which is a helicopter shooting missiles right here into this awesome dent on the Radsticks tape truck. So what we need to do is preparation. Get your glass cleaner and your microfiber and clean your application site thoroughly. I'm going to start with the easy one first. Our little stick figure family. Remember, when you're peeling, start from one corner and carefully remove the vinyl from the backing. Line up where you want your vinyl. Place one corner, run over to the other corner, just like that. See, it's not fully adhered. And then work yourself side to side, top to bottom. Get your smooth flat surface. Credit card, the end of your scissors works really good. Whatever you want to use, as long as it's not going to damage the transfer tape or the vinyl. When you're going to remove the transfer tape, keep the transfer tape as parallel to itself as possible. You want it to be a very sharp angle, and just in a rolling motion, peel back your transfer tape. Just like that. So now we're going to move to the second part. So this one is going to be a little bit more difficult because we have a curve and a split that we're going to be dealing with. So we need to be really careful in the installation step to make sure that we have it lined up properly how we want it to appear in its final form. Start with one corner. Work your way over, top to bottom, side to side. Okay, so we have a split right here. We know that there's vinyl graphics going down here and almost into this dent right here. So we want to be really careful when we're peeling the transfer tape. Again, start from one corner in a rolling action, keeping the transfer tape as close to itself as possible. See how fine that detail is? That's an insanely sharp point, and it just sticks right away because we're utilizing proper technique. If you get a piece that, like this one, that doesn't cooperate, don't panic. Fold it back over, apply some pressure, and go at it again. See how it's stuck that time. Just keep peeling in a smooth motion, keeping an eye on the edges just to make sure that you're not lifting vinyl. All right, so This is a car hood. We're gonna need to open this eventually to change the oil or change out the battery, work on it, whatever. We have this piece of vinyl that's angled over the gap. So if we open this hood right now, it's gonna damage our vinyl, which we don't want. It's a nice vinyl. So what we're gonna do is take an X-Acto knife and cut it right down the middle. If we cut too close to one side, we're not gonna have enough to fold over. Same with the other. So we wanna cut right down the middle with a very sharp X-Acto knife. All right, so remember what I was saying about cut right down the middle of your vinyl. I start in the middle and I just kind of saw it like that. Same with the other direction, just like that. You've got your vinyl cut. So what you need to do is smooth it out so that it folds over on the edges and you don't have to worry about it peeling. So just like that. And then same on the inside, right here. See how this one's sticking up? We don't want that. Just fold it down, apply even, steady pressure, and now we don't have to worry about that coming up. So, when your hood's closed, you have a full vinyl with the correct split. We hope you enjoy your Radsticks. They'll last you for years to come as long as you follow the proper installation steps. If you have any questions or concerns, you're having issue getting one installed, let us know. We're here to help. Log into our website at radsticks.com. We've got live chat there. You can shoot us an email. You can link up with us on social. We've got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the whole nine. Keep tuned. Keep ordering Radsticks. Enjoy it.